Hey guys, so we've had a couple questions about focus time and the shared drive. So we're going to do a really quick video on how to get to the shared drive to access all that kind of information. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google Chrome. When you open Google Chrome, you're going to go to the waffle that's on the right hand side. You'll click on the waffle and go to Drive. So all of our focus time information is housed in our shared drive, the AJH shared drive. So you're going to go over to the left-hand side and you're going to notice that it says shared drive. So you will click there. Yours probably won't look like mine because I use shared drives quite often. You're going to be looking for the one that says AJH with a donut. So you will click that. When you open the AJH shared drive, you're going to notice a lot of information that's in here. You can scroll through and look through all of this stuff. It's been here. There's a staff sign out, faculty information, all of it. So we're going to focus specifically on the focus time portion of it. You'll notice yours isn't going to be this orangey color. I changed the color of mine because I know that I'm going to go to it a lot. And if you would like to do that, all you have to do is right click on the folder and go to change color. I chose orange because it's AJH. So when you open this folder, you're going to notice there's 45 groups, there's math groups, and there's RLA groups. These folders house all of the information as far as what's being taught in those types of groups, login information, all that kind of stuff. These three sheets are the spreadsheets that we used in order to make the groups. The next one is the Google Slides that Ford made for all of us to show on the first day of focus time. The next one is the focus time attendance. And then in the bottom left-hand corner is the focus intervention groups. I'm going to click on this one. So if you're unsure about your group or who's in your group or what you're supposed to be doing, these tabs kind of hopefully help with that. So the math groups, those are listed first and you can see what grade level they are. The 45 groups are next. These are the kids that we discussed at the beginning of the school year or before school even started. Enrichment groups are those kids that don't fit into the other ones. These are our meets and masters kids. And then the reading groups are there as well. Again, the different grade levels that each person is assigned. So that is everything in the focus time folder. Again, this is in the AJH shared drive. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, guys.